In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend DocuSign envelope. If a recipient hasn't signed yet and needs a nudge, this quick process will resend the signing email without creating a brand new envelope, keeping everything tidy and on track. Start by heading to DocuSign.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, click Agreements. This is your central hub where all your envelopes live: drafts, sent items, in-progress documents, and completed ones. If you're new to DocuSign, think of agreements as your filing cabinet for everything you've sent out to be signed. Before we go further, you'll find a direct link to the DocuSign website at the top of the description. If you prefer using a mobile app, I've also included the official download link there so you can follow along on your phone or tablet. Next, locate the envelope you want to resend. In the Agreements tab, you can narrow things down using filters like Sent or In Progress. These filters are especially helpful when you've got a busy pipeline. Look for the envelope name or the status that matches the one you're chasing. If you manage a lot of documents, scanning by status will save you time and make sure you're resending the right item. Open the envelope by clicking on it to view its details. You'll see recipient information, the status of each signer, and activity. To access resend options, look for the More button, sometimes shown as 3 dots, or use the Actions dropdown. Both lead to the same set of tools. This is where DocuSign keeps useful controls for managing an envelope without altering its contents. Choose Resend from the dropdown. When you do this, DocuSign immediately sends a fresh notification email to anyone who hasn't completed their signing yet. Recipients who have already signed will not receive another email, so you don't have to worry about spamming someone who's already done their part. This is perfect for gentle reminders and avoids the confusion of duplicating or recreating the envelope. A couple of tips as you use this. If a recipient says they still don't see the message, ask them to check spam or promotions folders, and make sure their email address on the envelope is accurate. Resending doesn't change the document or the signing order. It simply updates the notification so they can jump back in where they left off. And that's it. Your DocuSign envelope has been resent to all pending recipients, keeping your workflow moving without extra setup. Thanks for watching.